We're here at the Conservation Volunteers Green Gym in Tottenham, which has been awarded £60,000 from the People's Health Trust raised by the Health Lottery. And we're joined today by David Lammy MP and Health Lottery owner Richard Desmond. And Richard, it must be very pleasing for you to come out and see these projects where the Health Lottery is really just helping people. I mean, what do you feel like when you're at one of these things?
Well, I just asked the guy who runs it, I said, what would happen if the Health Lottery didn't exist and hadn't given the money? And the answer is this wouldn't be here.
What Richard's done with the Health Lottery is extraordinary. It's a huge success story operating at grassroots level, and these community projects are replicated across the country. They're making a big difference in people's lives in an important way, and of course we've got to extend them and see them grow. I genuinely believe from experience that working with the soil prolongs your life. It is therapeutic in a very deep way. But it's also amazing how in modern life, as a generation of human beings, we've lost touch with some of the skills that were sort of quintessential to being human, and to see those skills being given back and potentially passed on to another generation is also very, very important.
Is it going to encourage you, Richard, to get out in the garden and do some...
I do, I love going in the garden. It's wonderful. It's nothing better than going back to the soil.
Martin, tell me a bit about what you do here.
Well, I get involved every week with general horticultural tasks. So we're doing everything from raising seedlings to planting out crops to harvesting to weeding. So it's a real range of tasks.
Have you any particular plants you've grown yourself, your babies, that you're about to start harvesting?
Tomatoes at home.
Your own tomatoes over there?
Tomatoes and pumpkin and stuff like that, lettuce.
And obviously this costs money. We've received a grant from the Health Lottery. How important is funding like that to a project like this?
It is absolutely essential, and we are always really, really grateful to the People's Health Trust, because if we didn't have grants like this, then we wouldn't have the opportunities to come into places like this and provide these opportunities for people in Haringey.